Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change currency on Bybit. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your browser, type in bybit.com and get into their official website. Now right over here, make sure you're signed in as well, and then tap on this buy crypto as I have done over here, and tap on this option of one click buy. Right upon doing that, this kind of interface gonna pop up, and you can see this is the details and buy and sell section. And in the bottom section, if you see this payment methods, we have our balance in euro currency because this is the region is situated in Europe. That's why we have converted it to euro currency. It will simply differ to your country, right? But if you simply want to change it to USD, you can simply tap on this Fiat Deposit as well, or tap on this drop down icon and simply change it to USD, and then your currency will appear over here as USD. Then for the Bitcoin section, you can tap on the drop down icon, tap on USD and choose it, and then you can also tap on this euro. Once you have changed the currency, and it will be USD, it will be appearing as USD right over here, and that is it. You simply have to change it from your Fiat Deposit, and that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.